The Senate has prepared a detention facility for suspended Mayor Alice Go and her family. Office of the Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Head Roberto Angcan says they will be the first to use the facility. But he clarified that it was not made for Go and her family. According to Angcan, the detention facility was built last year to accommodate more people being cited in contempt.
Hindi siya hotel type, but they're comfortable naman. Here I can assure her security 24/7. I've done it before. I was a commander before, and I assured the people within my area of responsibility that they're safe.
Will be provided and visitors will be allowed by the Senate. Gadgets, however, are prohibited, but Senate President Chis Escudero says they will review the guidelines. Go, her siblings, and her parents are ordered arrested by the Senate for not attending hearings in illegal pogo.
Wala ako nakikitang dahilan kung bakit hindi. Hindi naman mga drug lord to na pwede nilang pagpatuloy yung kanilang operasyon sa loob ng detention. Pangalawa, wala naman ako nakikitang delikadong kaganapan na mag-detect sila na mapuga sila mula sa detention facility.
Oo, kasi after nag-request yung accountant ata ni Alice Go na medyo naboboard daw kung pwede ng gadget, eh hindi naman talaga siya under arrest per se because may kaso. It's because you are held by the Senate until you can testify.
Oo, hanggang matapos yung kanila sigurong
Yes, so that's the only reason why
hearing,
sabi
on
ni
Pogos.
Chis Escudero said, Senate President Chis Escudero said they're reviewing na baka pwede nang payagan naman ng gadget. Pero kasi mga resource person lang naman to na ayaw mag-testify, that's why they're being held.
Maganda naman yung detention facility.
Oh, malamig daw yung aircon dyan, sabi nila. Oo.
Pero tignan natin kung, ewan ko hanggang ngayon kasi syempre, ang paghahanap kay suspended Mayor Alice Go is still ongoing dahil nga, yun nga ang sinasabi, nililinaw natin, itong Senate na to is in aid of legislation.
That's
diba?
why, and then if you do not attend the hearing or you refuse to answer certain questions, you can be cited in contempt and detained or arrested by the Senate until such time that you satisfy their need. Their need for you.
Iniimbitahan ka bilang resource person. Pero sinasabi nga ng kampo nila Guo, di ba, through her lawyer, na dahil nasisigawan siya doon or parang trial by publicity na yung nangyayari, nahuhusgahan na siya, di ba, na kumbaga parang nagiging personal na masyado yung investigasyon towards the suspended
Pero
mayor.
nakakapag-FB daw.
Siya. Pero right now, taken down na yung post. And I think, ewan ko kung ongoing pa yung, or nandiyan pa yung mismong Facebook account niya. Pero the post itself is already taken down. So,
Yun pala.
So, nakikita po natin sa screen natin ngayon, yung sinasabi nga po nga, Senate Detention Facility.
Yeah, may mga
para
bunk
po dito
beds.
kay suspended Mayor Go at saka dun sa kanya mga relatives, yung siblings, supposedly, dahil nga until now, hindi pa rin po sila mahanap kung nasaan. But according to the lawyer of suspended mayor, through attorney Stephen David, di ba tinanong natin, yung daddy ba? Di ba? Ito yung daddy ba ni Mayor Alice Go nasaan? Nasa China. Hindi daw.
China.
Wala pa siyang planong umuwi dito.
Pinabayaan niya anak niya. Oo.
Alright.